Hi, hello and welcome all of you. Chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. We are doing practice set 1.5. I have copied question number 3. We will read the question and we will try to solve it. The question is, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son, father's age and son's age. This question is about father's age and son's age. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of father and add it to age of son, then the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Always keep your textbook with you. Read the question at least twice before you start with the sum. So let us assign variables to these two most important factors of this sum, that is father's age and son's age. So let's write the introduction. Let the age of father be x and that of son be y respectively. Solution. Let the father's age be x. Father's age be x years. If you want, you can write x years, and that of son be y years respectively. Introduction done. Now we will read the condition. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. So we will write according to the first condition. According to the first condition. Again read. The sum of, we are adding father's age and twice the age of son. Father's age is x and means adding means plus. Twice the age of son. Twice means 2 times. 2 times age of son. Son we have taken y. So 2 times the age of son means 2y is 70. Is means equal to 70. So this is the first equation. Give this as equation number 1. Now we will get the second condition. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of son. Double the age of father. Double means nothing but twice. That is 2 times. Double means multiplying by 2. So if we double the age of father. So next I will write according to the second condition or according to the next condition. You can write anyhow. Let's get the condition. If we double the age of father. Father's age is x. So double the age of father means 2x. उसके बाद and add it to means plus, add it to son's age is y. We are getting the sum as 95. So this is condition number 2. Okay, first condition, second condition we got. Now we have to just solve it, get the value of x and y, and that's it. Father's age and son's age, we will get their present ages respectively. So how to crack these two equations, how to solve it? Yes, either if you want, you can multiply here throughout by 2 or first equation throughout by 2. Okay, anyhow, if you multiply here throughout by 2, you will get 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. So I will write the step. Multiplying equation 1 by 2. So when you multiply, what are you getting? So I multiplied equation 1 by 2. So I am getting therefore 2x plus 4y is equal to, by 2 means it will be 140. Everywhere I am multiplying by 2. So 2x plus 2 into 2, 4y is equal to 140. This will be equation number 3, new equation. And second equation I will take as it is. 2x plus y equal to 95. This is equation number 2. 2x, but both are having same sign. So if they are having same sign, we will go for subtraction. Write it here. Subtracting equation 3 and 2 or 2 and 3. Put minus, 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 2x and minus 2x cancel. This will be 4y minus y, 3y, which is equal to 140 minus 95, 10 minus 5, 5. This will get 13 minus 9 is 4. Okay. So we are getting 45. So therefore y will be 45 upon 3. Y is equal to 3 ones and 3 fives. So we got y was son's age. Son's age we got 15. So what will be father's age? Put y is equal to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1. What was our equation 1? Remaining I'll solve here. Put y is equal to 15 in equation 1. What was our equation 1? X plus 2y is equal to 70. This was our equation. So put y is equal to 15 here. Therefore, x plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 minus 2. 15 into 2, 30. 30 goes there, minus 30. So x is equal to 40. Simple sum. Okay, very straightforward. They have given the condition, no complications. Just to substitute, get the equation, solve it and be satisfied with your answer. So x was father's age, y was son's age. Yes, it is coming properly. Father is elder than the son, not the other way. No, some memes you have seen, no, where when the sum goes wrong, father looks much younger than the son. So here we got it correct. Write the final answer. Father's age is 40 years and son's age is 15 years. 15 years. Highlight your answer. Question number 4. Please read the question. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. So there is a relation between numerator and denominator. We have seen such type of sums in our 9th standard also or 8th standard. The denominator of a fraction. So when you have a fraction, this is a fraction. When you have a fraction, you have a numerator and you have a denominator. And this sum is about numerator and denominator. So obviously we have to take any one as x and the other will be y. So let's go for numerator x and denominator y respectively. Then again we will read the question and get the condition. Okay. So let's begin. Please write solution. Let the numerator be x, denominator be y respectively. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y respectively. Okay. So what will be the fraction? Therefore, the fraction, that is the original fraction will be, if you want you can write original fraction or fraction in original form. Fraction in original will be obviously x upon y, numerator upon denominator. Now we'll read the condition. According to the first condition, let's read the condition. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator, what is the denominator? Y. So denominator, that is y is means equal to, denominator of a fraction is means equal to 4 more than. 4 more than means plus 4. 4 more than twice its numerator. Twice its numerator. Numerator is x. So twice of numerator means 2x. 2x, 4 more than. 4 more than means plus 4. Again check whether it is coming properly. The denominator of a fraction is, denominator is y, denominator is 4 more than, so plus 4, twice its numerator, 2x plus 4. Yeah. So this we will write it in proper equation form. 2x will take this, anyhow, we will take this 2x to the other side. It will become minus 2x plus y equal to 4. This will be equation number 1. Okay. So equation number 1 we got. Now we will read the second condition and get equation number 2. So next step will be according to the second condition. According to the second condition. What is the second condition? Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Denominator is y. Y becomes 12 times the numerator. Y is equal to 12 times the numerator. Numerator is x. So y is equal to 12 times x. When is it in this form? If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. If, so the main part is coming later. If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. जब हम न्यूमरेटर से और डिनोमिनेटर से 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. reduced means more means add, reduced means make less. So we will subtract 6 from numerator and denominator. At that time what will happen is denominator will be 12 times the numerator. It will not happen now. It will not happen now. This is wrong. When will this condition happen? First you have to subtract 6 from numerator and denominator. So what is our numerator and denominator? X and y. पहले इससे 6 subtract करो. So we will write, therefore subtracting 6 from numerator and denominator. Subtracting 6 from numerator and denominator. So how will the fraction look like? Numerator is x. So subtracting means 6 means x minus 6. Subtracting 6 from denominator means y minus 6. Okay children. We are subtracting 6 from numerator and denominator. So now the new numerator is x minus 6 and the new denominator is y minus 6. Now apply the condition. So this part I'll just erase. We got our first equation. I'll keep the first equation. After this, what we have done? When you subtract 6 from numerator and denominator, denominator becomes, so what is the new denominator? The new denominator here it is y minus 6. So y minus 6, the denominator becomes equal to 12 times 12 into 12 times the numerator. So what is the numerator? X minus 6. When is this condition happening? When you subtract 6 from numerator and denominator. So first we subtracted 6 from numerator. We got x minus 6. Denominator y minus 6. Then we applied the condition. Now in this case the new denominator 6 subtract करने के बाद जो denominator मिला वो denominator is 12 times the numerator. So this is the, now let us solve this. Therefore y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 12 6 are 72. Bring this 12x to the other side. So this will be minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 72 plus 6. Minus 6 goes to the other side plus 6. So we have the second equation as minus 12x plus y is equal to minus into plus minus 72 minus 6 will be 66. 72 is greater number, so minus. Correct all the calculation? Yes. So we have this as equation number 2. So this will be equation number 2. Please give equation number 1 we already got. and equation number 2. Okay. So here you can see first equation is minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Second equation is minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 66. You can see plus y and plus y. So no need to multiply by any number, right? We have plus y plus y. So what will we do? We will go for subtracting equation 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, we will be able to solve it. So you subtract, pause the video, subtract and then check from me. If I copied the first and the second equation, we will write subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtraction sign will change all the sign. Minus became plus, plus became minus, minus became plus. Minus 2x and plus 12x. See the new sign. Minus into plus is minus. 12 minus 2 is 10x. 12 is greater number. And see the sign. The new sign you have to consider. New sign is plus. This is plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Which is equal to. Now again this is 66 and 4. 66 plus 4 will be 70. So therefore x is equal to 70 upon 10. X is equal to 7. What was x? X was the numerator. So put x is equal to 7 in any one equation. I'll put it in equation number 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. We get minus 2 into 7. Okay, minus 2 into 7 plus y equal to 4. So therefore minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 plus 14. Y is equal to 18. We got correct? All the calculation? Yes. Y is equal to 18. So what will be the fraction? Therefore the fraction will be, what will be the fraction? Fraction is nothing but x upon y. Numerator upon denominator. So numerator we got 7 and denominator we got 18. So the final answer, the fraction is 7 upon 18. Understood? Okay. So both the condition, the second condition you have to pay little more attention. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Don't write that directly. The condition comes later. Kabhi aisa hoga if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So first we have to subtract 6 from numerator, 6 from denominator, then write it in this form. So we did that and we got our answer. Write the final answer and highlight it. Number 5. Read the question. There are two types of boxes, A and B, are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 ton. The truck can hold 10 tons of load and this truck is to be loaded with type of A box and B box. There are two types of boxes. Total capacity of the truck is 10 ton. So this is not going to change. Total capacity, how much it can hold is 10 ton. And we have two types of boxes. Okay, understood. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, it weighs 10 ton. Okay. Again I read, when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded, then it weighs 10 ton. Then truck completes its full capacity, that is 10 ton. Now 150 number of boxes of type A. Let us assume that the weight of each box of type A be X. What are we assuming? Let the weight of type A box be X and the weight of type B box be Y. So if type A box weight is X, each box weight is X. Type B's each box weight is Y. what will be the weight of 150 such boxes of type A? एक बॉक्स का x, so 150 बॉक्स का 150 boxes का क्या होगा? It will be 150x. Same way, if the weight of one box of type B is y kilogram, then what will be the weight of 100 such box of type B? It will be 100y. So when you add 150x plus 100y, you are getting the total as 10 ton. That is the complete capacity. So एक इतना box रख दिया तो the truck has completed its capacity, which is equal to 10 ton. 10t means 10 ton. Understood? First condition. Let us write. Okay. So we will assume let the weight of each box of type A be x kilogram. Let the weight of each box of type AB x kilogram and that of type BB y kilogram respectively. It's very easy, children. Don't look at the size of the sum and decide that it will be complicated. No. The only thing you keep in mind is the truck total capacity is 10 ton. 10 ton the truck can hold. So according to the first condition, again I'll read that first condition to be double sure. What is the first condition? When 150 boxes of type A, one box of type A weighs x kilogram. So 150 boxes का कितना होगा? 150x. So when 150 boxes of type A and means plus 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 ton. Total बन गया 10 ton. So how much? 150 boxes of type A means 150 into x. That will be the total weight of type A box. Plus 100 boxes of type B. एक box का है y kilogram. So 100 box का होगा 100y. And the total is coming to be, it weighs 10 ton. So we will write 10 tons. Tons. Why I have specified here tons? Because this all is related to kilogram. We said no, x kilogram and y kilogram. Do you know the relation between kilogram and ton? 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. This we will be dealing with it later on. First let us get the condition. Okay, so I got my first equation. I can see here 150, 110. All these are very bhari numbers. I want to reduce it to some simple numbers and I can see, yes, everywhere if I divide it by 10, I'll get, if I take 10 common, so I'll get 15x plus 10y is equal to, 10 common I took, no, so 10 upon 10 will be 1 ton. 1 ton. This I'll write it as equation number 1. Okay? Okay, equation number 1. 1 ton is how much, children? 1 ton means it will be 1000 kilogram. So instead of 1 ton, if I want, I will write 1000. Because left hand side part is related to kilogram. So right hand side also I wrote it as kilogram. I got 1 ton. 1 ton is 1000 kilogram. 1000. Okay. Understood the first equation? So we got our first equation. 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000. Now let us go on to the remaining part of the sum. Yes. According to the second condition, what is the second condition? Read it at least twice. So your first condition. But when 260 boxes of type A, एक box का x है, तो 260 boxes का होगा 260x. 260 boxes of type A are loaded in that truck. when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate, it can still take few more boxes of type B. It can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. If you keep 260 boxes of type A, still आप और भी रख सकते हो कितना 40 boxes of type B. Type B means it is 40Y, and when you do that time, so that it is fully loaded. Fully loaded means the truck capacity is complete. What was the truck's capacity? What was the capacity of the truck? The capacity of the truck is 10 ton. So if you keep this much boxes, then it is fully loaded, means it has completed 10 tons. This was the twist. And instead of writing fully loaded, here they have written it can still accommodate 40 box, so that it is fully loaded, or it has completed its capacity. So this part we have to understand. After keeping 260 boxes of type A, it can still hold, or it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. So when you add these two, then it becomes fully loaded. So fully loaded means it will be 10 ton. So we will do the same thing, divide by 10 throughout. So you get 26x plus 4y. Okay, I am taking 10 common. 10 upon 10 will be 1 ton here. 1 ton is nothing but 1 ton we are taking it as 1000 kilogram. Why ton we converted into kilogram? Because our left hand side is regarding kilogram. So 1 in kilogram, 1 in ton, that is incorrect. So here we have our second equation. Look at the first and the second equation. 26x, 15y. We will not touch these very bigger numbers. We will go for 4y and 10y. Equation 2, we will multiply whole by 10, so that this becomes 40y. Equation 1, we will multiply whole by 4. So we will get here 40y. So 40y, we will subtract. So write the most important step. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 10 respectively. So I'll delete the question now. So write down multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 10 respectively. Multiply equation 1 by 4. So 15 4s are 60x plus 10 into 4 is 40y is equal to 1000 into 4 is 4000. Similarly, multiplying equation 2 by 10, no? So 26 into x is 260x plus 40y is equal to, again this will be into 10. So this will be 10,000. Plus 40y. So we'll go for subtracting the equations. No need to give this as equation number 3 and 4. If you want, you can give. Subtracting, but I'll write subtracting both the equations. Subtracting both the equations, minus, minus, minus. So this will be cancelled. 260 minus 60 will be minus 200x is equal to 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. Simple subtraction. 10,000 is bigger, so minus. So therefore x is equal to, I'll cut minus and minus here, 6,000 upon 200. 2 0 2 0 gaya, 2 1s are 2 3s and 0. So we got x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. So what is the weight of one box of type A, 30 ton or kilogram? Kilogram. Because we took everything in kilogram. Children, just beside you mention 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. No, otherwise they should know that we know the relation between ton and kilogram. Please mention this one step anywhere in the sum. So we got x is equal to 30. Next, put x is equal to 30 in, I liked equation 1. In equation 1, so I'll get 15 into 30 plus 10y is equal to 1000. So solve it. So this will be 15 into 30 will be 450 plus 10y is equal to 1000. Therefore 10y is equal to 1000 minus 450. This will be, remaining part I'll solve it here. 10y is equal to 0, 5 and 5. 550. Therefore, y is equal to 550 upon 10 will be 55. Each box of type B weighs 55 kilogram. Each box of type A weighs 30 kilogram. What was the question? Final question. Find the weight of each type of box. So let us write the final answer. Beautiful presentation. Write the final answer. Weight of each box of type A is 30 kilogram and of type B is 55 kilogram. Okay, present your answer. Little lengthy sum, but no lengthy sum can defeat us if you understood the concept. So concept is the power. Understood about the truck, overloaded, accommodate, all these were the terms that you had to pay attention to. If you understood at least one sum, just click on the like button. Don't be so much confused. Let us go on to the last sum of this practice set. Okay, children, so now we have reached the last sum of this practice set. This is also very interesting. Don't look at the size of the sum. Read the question, understand the meaning of the question and form equation. So this is about out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal travelled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Okay, maybe little in short of money. Okay. So Vishal is travelling some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour. Okay, that all we'll see later. 60 speed and all is coming here in this question. But be relaxed, calm, we will solve it. Out of 1900 km. What is the total distance travelled by Vishal? 1900 km. Usme se, out of that, some distance he travelled by bus. So let us take the distance travelled by bus as x and the distance travelled by aeroplane as y respectively. Distance unit here you can see kilometer per hour. No? So distance will come in kilometer. So first introduction, let the distance covered by bus be x kilometer and that by aeroplane be y kilometer respectively. And then we will deal with the remaining part of the sum. So let the distance travelled by bus be x kilometer and that by aeroplane be y kilometer respectively. Okay. So x kilometer distance travelled by bus and y kilometer distance travelled by aeroplane. And what was the total distance travelled? Total distance is 1900 kilometer. So I hope you got the first condition right. According to the first condition, bus का distance और aeroplane का distance total we are getting 1900. So this will be x plus y is equal to 1900. Fine. Distance travelled by bus, distance travelled by aeroplane, total is coming to be 1900 because it is given this was the total distance travelled by Vishal. Now the next part of the question. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour. Speed is coming, this term speed is coming in this question. Speed related to physics, science 1. You know Kepler's laws. Then speed is a big deal for you. You know the formula? Yes, we all know. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So somewhere we are going to use this formula. I'll write the formula. Let us read the question again. Bus travels with speed of 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. So here they have given you the second condition, time and speed. Speed of bus is 60 km per hour, speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour और total time कितना लगा? Bus and aeroplane total time taken was 5 hours. Here comes the main hero, 5 hours. So total time we have, total time, write down. Total time is equal to 5 hours. And please write down the formula that we are going to use. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is. Let us find out the time taken by bus and the time taken by aeroplane. Do you know the speed of bus? So I'll make two columns equal to distance upon time. Now I'll write for bus. For bus, what is the speed given? What is the speed? Speed is 60. Do you know the distance of bus? Distance of bus? Just see the introduction. We took the distance covered by bus as x and time, we don't know. Total time is given as 5. Time taken by bus separately we don't know. So I'll just write t. Then same apply for aeroplane. For aeroplane, speed is given as 700. Distance travelled covered by aeroplane we had taken as y. Introduction we had written, and time taken by aeroplane separately we don't know. Total time we know. So how much will be the time? So for this case, let me take time is equal to, I'll cross multiply. T into 60 is equal to x. So what will be t? T is equal to x upon 60. This is the time taken by bus. Time taken by bus, x upon 60. Children understood? Same way we will find out time taken by aeroplane. So therefore 700 into time taken by aeroplane is equal to y. So what is the time taken by aeroplane? Y upon 700. Time taken by bus, x upon 60. Time taken by aeroplane, y upon 700. दोनों ने कितना टाइम लिया? Don't move है ना? Both of them took how much time? Total time taken by bus and aeroplane is given as 5 hours. So this part plus this part is how much? 5 hours is equal to 5. Understood the second condition? So you show all these steps and then write down according to the second condition. What was the time taken by bus? How much we got? X upon 60 plus time taken by aeroplane was Y upon 700. And the total time taken is 5 hours. Total is given as 5. Time taken by bus and time taken by aeroplane. Total we are getting 5. Now what we'll do? We will cross multiply. 700 into x will be 700x plus 60y upon 6 sevens are 42 and 0, 0, 0. 6 sevens are 42 and 3 zeros is equal to 5. Now take this 42,000 to the other side. You get 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 into 42,000. Okay, such a big huge number. Don't be scared. We will divide throughout by 10. Okay, let us divide throughout by 10. So dividing by 10, I'll get 70x plus 6y is equal to, divide by 10 means 1 0 gaya, multiply 40 to 4200 into 5 will be 5 zeros are 0, 5 0 0, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 4s are 20, 21. Correct, no? Multiplication. Just keep this as equation number 2. This is equation number 2. What was equation number 1? Equation number 1 was x plus y is equal to 1900. Equation number 2 is 70x plus 6y is equal to 21000. I can see plus y and plus 6x. I'll multiply equation 1 by 6. So I'll write multiplying equation 1 by 6. You get, therefore, 6x plus 6y is equal to, multiply by 6, 0, 0, 9 5s are 45, 54, carry 5, 6 1s are 6 and 11. So this is my equation number 3. Copied equation 2 and 3, 6 plus 6y and plus 6y. So we will go for subtracting both the equation. No other option, we have to subtracting both equations. Subtracting both equations, what will you get? Minus, minus, minus. 70 minus 6 will be 64x. This cancel. Subtract 0, 0, 10 minus 4 is 6. This will be 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9600 upon 64. 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8 2s are and 0 0. 8 1s are 8 1s are 8. I'm just dividing directly 1200 by 8. 8 1s are 8. 4085s are and 0. So I got x is equal to 150. Yes. What was x? X was the distance covered by bus. So distance covered by bus we got 150. Now after this, put x is equal to 150 in this equation. What was that equation? Equation 3 I suppose. X is equal to 150 in equation. I don't remember what was the equation. You write the equation number. 6 into 150 plus 6y is equal to 11400. So after you get the value for x is equal to 150, let us put that x is equal to 150 in any equation. I chose this equation. So what we will get? 150 into 6 is 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 and 9. 900 plus 6y is equal to 11400. Therefore, 6y is equal to 11400 minus 900, which is equal to 0, 0. 14 minus 9 will be 5 and this will be 0, 0. This will be 0 and 0 and 1. Okay. 10500. So therefore 6y is equal to 10500 y equal to 10500 upon 6. It will go in 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 4 and 5. 6 sevens are 42. 42. 3 and 0. 6 fives are and 0. So the distance covered by aeroplane y is 1750 kilometer. Yeah, distance covered by aeroplane is coming to be more because aeroplane will cover more distance. Distance covered by bus is coming to be 150 kilometer. So in the question they have asked us to find the distance Vishal travelled by bus. So final answer, write it, 150 kilometer. So we have written the final answer. Distance covered by bus by Vishal is 150 kilometer. Just go through the sum once again. Frame the steps in your mind. Here we used science, that is physics. Speed is equal to distance upon time formula to crack this sum. I hope you all understood each and every sum of practice set. I have tried my level best to explain every sum to you. Now your turn. Take the sum, solve it on your own, write the steps and practice. Till we meet with a brand new chapter in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care all of you.